Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by pausing the game and opening settings. This gets you directly to camera options without extra navigation. You need controller or keyboard ready so adjustments apply instantly. Once in settings, choose Camera and Controls and scan the list for Batsman View or similar labels. This is where you'll change perspective. Make sure your current match is paused or in a practice net so changes are visible immediately. Doing this first saves time and avoids reloading matches. Now you change the actual view and why each option matters. Select a camera preset. Tele gives close-up, over the shoulder gives situational awareness, because presets set baseline framing. Once chosen, fine-tune height, angle, and zoom. Small changes alter timing perception and shot timing. After adjustments, test with 5 to 10 deliveries in nets or a quick practice match to feel ball flight and timing. If timing feels off, tweak zoom or angle slightly and retest. Finish by saving your new Batsman view and applying it to all modes so future games use it automatically. Then resume a live match or start a quick game to confirm views remain consistent. Sometimes changes require a match reload. If the camera sticks to the old view, restart the match or the game. That usually forces the new settings to load. If problems persist, reset camera to default, reapply your values, and retest. This often clears corrupted presets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.